Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In this video, we will discuss what is program, what is language, and what is programming language, and then low level language and high level language. First, what is program? Program is a set of instructions which has to be executed by the computer. Now, what is language? Language is a system of communication. We need a language to communicate with computer. Computer understand only binary language, and it is a combination of zeros and ones. It's very difficult and almost impossible to communicate with computer in binary language. No, programming language. The language in which you write a program or give instructions to the computer is called programming language. Now, low level language. Low level languages are generally dependent on computer hardware architecture. Low level language are close to machine language and further from human language. It is easily understood by machine. Now, high level language. A high level language is any programming language that is generally independent on computer's hardware architecture. High level language has a higher level of abstraction from the computer and focuses more on logic rather than underlying hardware components such as memory addressing and register utilization. High level language is close to human language and further from machine language. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. Allah.